The Gansevoort Gallery gathered a large number of important works for their exhibition, Intimate Sculpture, Art Smith and His Contemporaries, 1940 to 1945. Many of the artists and craftsmen represented broke through the traditional boundaries imposed upon jewelry. They did this using bold terms of purer form and larger scale. By today's standards, 1998, the technical information available to them was extremely limited. Not so their soaring exploration of idea. For the most part, they continued to use traditional materials. Gold, silver, enamel, precious and semi-precious stones are all there, as well as glazed and unglazed ceramics and glass. Beach and river pebbles were added for the first time as unique statements, their intrinsic qualities being held paramount over other considerations. Aluminum, nickel-silver, which has no silver in it, and commercially manufactured stainless steel mesh were also explored. Sam Kramer used glass eyes in his surrealist jewelry to punctuate its unorthodox, dreamlike quality. Margaret Tapata developed nearly architectural structures using stones the shapes of which she and Francis Spearson, the lapidary, often invented together and which Spearson cut for her. The stones and their unique mountings express powerful geometric form as well as refraction and reflection of light in ways never before expressed. Art Smith may be considered the first jeweler to conceive of what is now called body adornment, in which the jewelry conforms to the shape of and encompasses the body in ways previously unconsidered. In doing so, he enlarged admirably the scale of jewelry, as did Alexander Calder, maker of mobiles, stabiles, prints, and paintings. Calder forged and riveted his metal much as a blacksmith, producing, if not exquisite workmanship, tremendous vitality. He proves the axiom that the expression of a work may, in the right hands, outweigh the perfection of craftsmanship. Though these pioneer artists were producing throughout the United States, neither the vast majority of the public nor the art community realized this new thinking was occurring. Of those who did, only a handful understood the significance. Jewelers no longer looked to the past. Their vision was aimed directly toward the future. It is only within the last few years that their groundbreaking efforts have come to be acknowledged in the museum world.